Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you new professional AOD clocks for your any Galaxy device, and this is absolutely free. So let's begin. Okay guys, first disable your system AOD and download this app on your Galaxy device. This app download link available on description. After download, simply tap and open. Swipe to start. Set permissions. Tap on continue and look at these beautiful clocks. All clock faces. Select and you also edit these clocks. Look at these clock styles, clock size, theme color. Simply tap and save and tap on try free. Now your AOD clock apply on your Galaxy device. Look at this. Let me show you another clocks. Look at this guys. This clock. Simply tap on edit, set size, change colors, simply tap on save, tap on try free. Look at this clock apply on your Galaxy. Okay, let me show you another clock. Guys, look at this. You also change these characters. Set character size, clock size. Tap on save and tap on try free. You also set custom rename on your AOD. So guys, you also apply these new AODs on your any Galaxy device. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.